Hello guys, today we are going to see the details about Google Classroom. So this Google Classroom is available in your Google Apps. So you can log into your Gmail ID and in your login you can see the Google Classroom in the Google Apps tab. On clicking the Google Classroom, it will navigate to the Google Classroom area. So here the plus sign, we have two options. One is join class and another one is create class. Join class can be used by the students to join the classroom, and create class can be used by the faculties or the teachers to create the classroom. So here we can create the classroom. In order to create the classroom, click the create classroom option. So here you can accept it and continue. So here it gives the classroom creation window. So here you can create a classroom. So here I am creating it as first year CSE section A, subject problem solving and Python programming, and here you can provide classroom or it can be set as optional. So on clicking the create button, the new Google Classroom will be created to you with the class name, subject and also the classroom number. So let's wait for the classroom to be created. So here you can see the classroom got created. So it is first year CSE class section A. So this is the classroom. So here we can enlarge the classroom code. By using this classroom code, the students can join the classroom. So here we click the down arrow. So here you can see the subject problem solving and Python programming and the room number LH103. So this is the stream that is set to be the dashboard. So communications whatever made will be displayed here. So the submission details and those informations will be shown in this upcoming. So here you have 4 tabs. One is stream, another one is classwork, next you have the pupil, and next you have the grade. So the submission works, assignments, materials, everything can be created in this classwork. Here under the create you can see assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post and the topics which you are going to create. So here on creating this classroom or after creating this classroom, you just create a class drive folder. So you can click this class drive folder. So as soon as you click the class drive folder, a new folder will be created in the Google Drive associated with this mail ID. So whatever details you are uploading in this classroom will be getting saved in this folder in your Google Drive. So let's see one by one. So first you can create the material. So you just click the material. So here it will be giving you the title, so under which you are going to create the material. So here we can create a material for unit number 1. And also here I am pasting it, unit 1, algorithmic problem solving, and here I am giving some information, that is I am giving the syllabi of this particular unit number 1. Okay, so here you can add some additional informations. If you have any informations regarding this unit 1 under your Google Drive, you can add it here, or else you can provide any link, website link. Here you can attach the file. So I am going to attach the unit 1 notes here. So unit 1 notes here in Microsoft Word. I am clicking the upload button, so it will be getting uploaded. Yeah, now it's getting uploaded and it is being available here. Or if else, if you are going to create any notes here, you can click this create button and you can choose any of the forms. Either it can be documents, slides, sheets, drawing or forms, and you can create it. Okay, right. So under here you have created the material and you have to categorize under some topics. So since it is a course material I have given here, I am going to create the topic as course material. course material, and I am posting it. On posting it, it will appear in the dashboard of the classroom. So here you can see unit 1 under course material tab, the unit 1 detail is been available. So here you can see syllabi of the unit 1 and the notes of this unit 1. So here on clicking this view material, you can see the material. Okay, right. So next, coming to the classwork, the next category is question. So here you can conduct a test. Okay, so here I am giving the question. Write a short note on algorithm. Write a short note on algorithm, and I am providing a space for it. So here the answers can be written, and I am awarding the mark for this 5 marks. Okay, and here I can provide the due date. I am providing the date to be 6 and time 11:59 p.m. Okay, so till the midnight it can provide. So here I am going to categorize it under unit test. Okay, so here I am taking out this. Students can reply to each other. I don't want to make the students to get the answer, so I am taking off, and I am here. I can, on clicking this ask button, this particular question will be getting popped to the students. So ask, so it will be placed under the category unit test. So here the question has been created. So first course material, then the unit test. Then I can give assignment to them. So here you can provide the assignment, you can provide the title, then the instructions to the students. So title means nothing but the topic of the assignment. So here I am going to give explain in detail about Tower of Hanoi. So here I am giving the instructions. Write the spelling mistake. Write the assignment in the paper and convert it as PDF and post it. Assignment. Write the concept clearly, draw the diagrams if necessary. 3. Write the pseudocode and explain it. So here the instructions I have given. Pseudocode and explain. I have given the instructions here, and here I can award marks for the assignment, and here also I can provide the due date. So due date and time, and here the topic. So since it is an assignment, I am making it as under a topic e-assignment, and here you can see an option set to be rubric. So rubric is nothing but the mark split up. So totally we have given 10 marks for this, and here you can create the split up for each. So first criteria, explanations, point 5, it is concept explanation, point 4, then the criteria, diagrams, point 3, pseudocode and algorithm, point 3. So total 10. So I am saving it. So now the scoring or the split up is been saved, and then I can click the assign button so that it will be get assigned to the students. So here you can see e-assignment, unit test, course materials. So next you have the quiz assignment. So here you can provide the quiz in the format of MCQs. You can provide multiple choice questions. So here you can provide the title. So I am giving test unit 1 quiz. So here I can give the questions, if instructions if applicable, and here you can click the quiz and it will get opened in a new Google form. So here you just provide the name for the quiz. Here also you provide the name for the quiz. Here you just provide the question. So please, okay. Accept. Representation. Okay, so here you can provide the answer key, you can provide the points, and it's done. Okay, so next we can create a response capturing sheet. So here you can create it, just click it, create response capturing sheet, that is a spreadsheet, and you just click it, create. So it will be getting created and it will be getting saved in the classroom folder created in the Google Drive. So here it got created. Okay, so once the response is been given to this particular quiz, it will be getting stored there. So since the quiz creation is some large topic, I will provide it as a separate video. Okay, so here we have created the quiz here, so you can close it here. So here it will be getting displayed and we can assign this assignment. So here we can provide a topic as unit quiz. Okay, and you can assign it. So here you can see all the details: unit quiz, e-assignment, unit test, and course materials. Okay, so then here you have the people tab. So here the attended students or the enrolled student details can be seen here, and if you need to add more teachers to this particular class, you can invite the teachers by using their mail ID. Okay, so in order to invite or in order to enroll the students, you can give the class code to the students. Class code is available here in the stream, so here you can use it, you can copy it. So now I am taking another one account and I am joining it. So here I have opened a new account. So here I am going to the classroom, and by using this class code I am going to join here, join class, and give the code and I am joining it here. So once the class code is accepted by the classroom will be shown to me. So here I can see the dashboard, classworks, and the people who are the classmates that can be seen here. Okay, so once the student got enrolled, it can be viewed in the classroom section of the teacher. So in their own dashboard, the students can do their work. So the work with how the work can be done, I will be explaining it in a separate video. So this is the how the works can be given to the students in a classroom. Okay.